Welcome back to a new What in a Day video. It is 7 a.m. I obviously start my day with drinking a lot of water. I got this bottle on Amazon. I will link it down below. I really love it because you can also put smoothies in here. And then of course I made my morning matcha. It's kind of weird, but lately when I drink like tea on an empty stomach or matcha, especially when it's warm, I feel a little bit nauseous, and this is actually completely normal. I'm adding just a tiny bit of like oat milk froth with a tiny bit of maple syrup, and literally by adding this I don't have that feeling. So tip at home, if you feel that way, you can try this out. Anyway, I have to go to a workout event from a friend of mine. It's gonna be like a Pilates type of thing, and then I'm gonna come home and make some breakfast. So in my drawer here, I have all my vitamins. Because I have a super early morning workout, I'm not having breakfast before. So I'm going to have my seed probiotics for overall gut health. Feel really good with these, and then Nutrafol hair supplement. I'm taking these in the morning. This has nothing to do with my What in a Day, but recently I've been using this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and it has SPF in it and a little bit of coverage, and I love it. For example, now I go to like a little workout event and I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, but just a little, because it's probably going to be pictures taken. Okay, I don't know what it is today. I feel super hyped up. Sometimes you just wake up, you just have a good mood, you have a lot of energy. I just got ready. I'm just wearing this cute set by Alo Yoga. I'll show you, very basic. I think they were gonna send outfits to the event, but I think I didn't get one. So with black, you're always safe. Let's go. Alrighty. Thank you. Intense 45 minutes. I always like underestimate really like how much Pilates actually like works your muscles. But going to make some breakfast, favorite meal of the day. I organized my fridge yesterday. I did some like groceries, meal prepping, and I actually want to show you what I have. I don't really do like full-on meal prepping, but I do ingredient prepping, if that makes sense. So over here I have tomatoes. This is some leftover like for bruschetta. I always have some coconut yogurt. This one I probably need to use today. Here I got some like ginger, hummus, vegan cream cheese. Here I have some fruits. By the way, I would highly recommend putting this in your fridge. I just got these on Amazon. It just makes everything so much more organized. And in all these little jars of like onion and whatever. This banana starts to look very sad, so I think I'm going to find a way to use this for breakfast. Here I have like oat milk, almond milk. Oh my god, I recently got these truffle mayonnaise and it's bomb. It's so good. Not healthy, but very delicious. So yeah, that's my fridge. We're gonna make something with the banana. I'm going to try to make like a muffin, breakfast muffin. I've never tried it before, so hopefully it's gonna be good. I think it's ready. Ooh. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Okay, this looks absolutely delicious. It's really hot. Wow. My breakfast protein muffin is ready. It looks absolutely delicious. It almost feels like a dessert, but it's basically breakfast. It has like eggs, protein powder, banana, almond flour, and it's super easy to make. Yeah, I'm going to take a photo and then I'm going to eat it. Because the camera eats first. Let's try it. It is like a sweet pancake. The inside is a little mushy, could go a little longer, but this is really, really delicious. Something I wanted to kind of talk about, there were like a lot of DMs about people asking like, how do you really find the right diet for you? We're all so different, right? And with different ingredients and different foods, we just feel differently. We all have different lifestyles. So I think there is not really like a one fits all. And the best way to like find this out is honestly just trying it out. But whenever you're trying, let's say, vegan diet, or when you're trying a keto or paleo or vegetarian diet, I think it is important to just do a little bit of reading on it and really make sure that you at least get all the nutrients. That's where you can really figure out like how you're feeling. Yeah, I just wanted to share that because I think that's really important, and it takes a little while, honestly. Like I've done like a 3-month like vegan, and I actually felt way more bloated, and I felt just like heavier because I was, you know, much heavier on like carbs and stuff. After a couple of years, I finally found a really big balance. Also last summer when we traveled to Europe, I was like, oh wow, it's just also really about like the type of ingredients, like the wholesome ingredients you consume, because yeah, everything was so fresh at home. Oh yeah. I am going to finish my muffin cake. Yum. It's delicious. I always love to have this also after workouts because it just gives me extra energy and it's like very nice and refreshing. I think I haven't shared it with you here yet, but to make your perfect matcha and to use obviously the bowl and the whisk I'm using, I present you Nekohama Starter Kit. So in here we have obviously matcha powder. We have the glass bowl I have been using forever in my videos, and so many questions about this. It's super like sturdy, very pretty to make your matcha in. We got a sifter and a bamboo scooper. And in here we got the bamboo whisk. And because I love you guys so much and I always appreciate so much your support, I have a discount code special for my followers. So instead of the 10-gram bag, we are automatically going to upgrade you to a 40-gram matcha bag, which means 4 times as much matcha as you normally would get. Use the code MatchaBetter on our website and you can use our new starter kit. I cannot wait to like share this all with you. Everyone who can make matcha at home the same way I do. I'm going to get some work done and I will see you for lunch again. Okay, it is 1:30 p.m. and I'm going to make some lunch. I was doing groceries and out of the blue I was craving gado-gado, so I'm going to make gado-gado inspired salad today, which is like an Indonesian peanut dish with lots of veggies. Gado-gado actually means literally mix, so which means you can mix so many different types. You can eat them raw, you can eat them steamed or grilled or however you like it. It's also easy to make this dish vegan or vegetarian with like tofu and tempeh. There are just like tons of variations. I also haven't showered yet, still after my workout. So I'm going to make the lunch and then get myself together. always say you need to eat the rainbow. Here you go. For today I chose carrots, cabbage, bean sprouts, paprika and some cucumber. I'm going to make a little separate salad of the cucumber, and this will be the base. I'm going to use it raw, but feel free to also like cook it or eat it raw, whatever you like. So yeah, that looks really good. Okay, if there are 2 kitchen tools I think every person should have is one, a food processor to make to make everything. And the second is a rice cooker. I use mine so often. It's just like an easy way to meal prep because I make rice and I can at least use it for like 2 days for like lunch and dinner and all of that. So I'm going to prep some brown rice for a poke bowl tonight and just as a meal prep in general. So good. I'm going to be honest, the chop work of all of it seems like a lot while you're making it, but what I did is that I stored half of it back into the fridge, so I'm using it for tomorrow for any type of stir fry or I don't know, another salad or something. But bon appetit, this is delicious. This is the lunch from close up. How beautiful. Tons and tons of veggies with an egg for protein, of course with the sauce of peanut butter, also some extra like fat and protein, and an avocado. Yum. So I don't snack a lot on candy that much because I don't really have a sweet tooth, but I do really feel like having some licorice, the Dutch drop. Here in my snacks. I brought this from the last time I was in Holland and it is literally the best. So I guess we're starting a poll here. Who loves licorice and who doesn't? I hate the American ones, but this is like nice and salty. Oh my god, I love it. Also, because it is so salty, I wouldn't really eat a whole bag of it, but just a couple. Really, really delicious. If you're ever in the Netherlands, and I also believe in Sweden they have really good ones, try the licorice there. It's really good. It feels like one of those things you really hate it or you love it. I'm going to do a little prep for the dinner so the salmon can like marinate. Dinner time tonight. I need to take a shower. I've been in my gym clothes all day. Dinner time. It's 7 p.m. I'm going to have a very easy dinner because I already prepped some stuff. My rice is ready. I'm going to use this for my poke bowl. It's like a rice seasoning. I got this at like an Asian market, but you can honestly get this like anywhere. And then of course I got my salmon and avocado. There we go. Dinner's ready. So I have a big poke bowl with rice, cucumber salad, salmon poke, and avocado. It's like a good balance of like healthy fats and protein and everything. So yeah, let's go watch some movies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't know Sex Education came out with some new episodes. This is my setup for tonight. I already finished some of this. Watch this. This is my last snack of the night. Got some tea. It actually had a really cute quote on it today. Celebrate your successes and failures. Both required great courage. Oh, I love these. I'm going to have a couple of these hazelnut butter dark chocolates to end the night. Lately I've been trying to have dinner a little bit earlier, after like 8:30. Kind of trying to avoid. I used to do that a lot, but I just don't really love going to bed with a really full stomach. I just always feel I don't sleep as well. So now it's 7:30 and I just finished. So I think this is like a good time for me. 7 p.m. dinner. It is hard when you're like working till later, but we will figure it out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I missed my What I Eat in a Days. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate all you guys' support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Good night. And of course I dip it in the tea so it melts and then I eat it. Fast food trick.